We also have a type of graph called a side-by-side or a stacked bar graph. This one is a side-by-side, and it's showing right together the red and the blue bars, and those are for United States is the red bar, and blue is the SEER areas. Let's find out what that means. Surveillance, Epidemiology, and End Results program of the National Cancer Institute works to provide information on cancer statistics in an effort to reduce the burden of cancer among the U.S. population. Sounds like a really good thing for them to do. The following side-by-side bar graph shows the demographic breakdown of participants in a SEER study versus the same demographic breakdown in the overall U.S. population. Which two subpopulations are more represented in the SEER group? So we want to look at, here it says demographic characteristics, below poverty level, less than a high school diploma, but you're old enough where you should have one, and foreign born. So United States is in red, SEER is in blue, and here's the characteristics versus the US population, and down at the bottom it says percent. So we can see that there's not huge numbers, but like 18% is the highest percentage for any of these groups. And when we look at foreign born, it looks like the blue bar is much larger than the red bar, which means that there are more foreign born people in the SEER program than there are percentage-wise in the United States. Same for the high school diploma. There's a bigger bar in the blue area that they don't have a high school diploma in the SEER program versus the percentage in the United States that don't have a high school diploma. And then the below poverty level, it looks like the blue bar is shorter. So which two subpopulations are more represented? The answer to that would be the group without high school diplomas and the foreign born.